Alright, so now we got the wings off. And in the process of cleaning it, you know, we've almost skinned the turkey at this point. And I like to go ahead and cut my hide. Pelt, I'm gonna call it. And get that out of the way. Now you get in here to the back. And this is where the turkey glob nugget lives. Do not want to let these go to waste. And we're going to get the heart and the liver out of here. So by breaking this bone off right here, makes that a lot easier. And you get all that meat with this bone. Now we want to get in the neck. So I already cut the esophagus. That kind of, if you can grab it, it kind of helps you peel everything down. Usually, when you're shooting good, the neck can be pretty shot up, but this one it wasn't. So this would be a good neck to eat. Gravity's your friend here. Look at that. Got a little meat left on there. I'm gonna give this to my dogs. They're gonna love this. Like a doggy potato chip. So, now we got the breastplate busted off of there. It's a good time to get your organs out of here. I like to cut them as close as I can to get all that kind of tough, white, sinewy meat off of them. Here we got the heart. That's gonna be good right there. And we got the liver. And some kidneys. Beautiful. And now, I like to do something with my crop here. We'll show you all that in another video. A lot of y'all are going to think it's weird, but I think it's pretty cool. If you're a real turkey hunter, you need to save that. Alright, now get in here, we're going to get this neck off of the body. depending on how you want to cook this, you can leave these rib bones on there. Just rip all the lung and other stuff off. Give that to the dogs, rats, whatever. There we go. All she wrote. So when you're through cleaning your turkey, I've got a wing left. It was broken during the hunt, and I'm not going to mess with that. I'm going to give that to the dogs. But you shouldn't really have much left, you know. You got feather, fat, sinew, some bone. You know, this whole turkey's edible.